What's up guys, I'm Garrett with Aldan American, and today I've got our Road Comp Series suspension kit. And within these series kits, you're gonna receive coilovers and rear adjustable shock absorbers. So they're designed to work with vehicles that have like a rear leaf spring setup and then just a factory shock and spring setup up front. So now this kit here in particular will fit the 88 to 98 C1500 Chevy and GMC pickup trucks. With all that, the front kit is a direct fit bolt-in replacement. So you're gonna replace those factory springs and go to a fully adjustable coilover. And with that, the coilovers within our kits are adjustable in regards to the shock damping. They're also ride height adjustable. So up front, you'll be able to get a stock height and you'll be able to lower down 2 inches, and that's using a stock control arm. You can also use aftermarket tubular control arms, drop spindles, and really slam that front end as low as you want to go. And for the rear, we do our TruLine Series shocks. These are rebound adjustable, and these are designed to work with factory style rear end. If you're doing a flip kit, you can do that as well. And that's really it. This is our Road Comp Series suspension kit, front coilovers, rear shocks, and this is for the 88 to 98 C1500 pickups. If you want to see this kit go on this truck, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more from Aldan American.